So my name is Bernd. I'm the CEO of Cumulocity. Cumulocity is a spin-off from Nokia Siemens Networks, and we have been on the market as a separate entity since 1.5 years now. Started the development of our cloud-based software solution for the Internet of Things already 3.5 years ago. So we have well-established references and projects, and we're very happy to be here at the Internet of Things conference as usual. So when it comes to the Internet of Things, I always like to relate that to the traditional meaning of machine to machine. So there has been a lot of debate, what is it actually? Is it machine to machine or is it Internet of Things? At the end of the day, I guess the definition is one part of it, but the business drivers and how you envision your customers using your technology is another part of that. And that really boils down to the definition from Cumulocity related to Internet of Things. So it's not about machines or things, it's actually about how do you deploy new technology and new services. Are you doing that in an old traditional way of stovepipes, of system integrations, customer-led projects, one by one by one vertical by one vertical, or are you trying to use technologies which shift the closed environments into an open platform environment where you try to get as much as possible productized components so that you make it much easier, much more economically efficient to deploy Internet of Things applications. So that is one of the key differentiators. The other one is the internet paradigm. With the internet paradigm, we mean that we will be pulled from machine to machine eventually into that internet paradigm working. That means different business models. Not anymore any setup fees, upfront costs, software license. It's about subscription model. It's about turning CapEx into OpEx. It's about really driving innovations in an internet style, meaning integrating existing internet applications, integrating that into your environment. So connecting devices, connecting things and machines, but then also making internet innovations available to that. Yeah, when it comes to the Internet of Things, what that really means for us is that you deploy two new ways of working, coming from a machine-to-machine world into the Internet of Things. Our definition is not really related to machines or things, it's related to two key differences. Are you doing project-specific, bespoke software solutions for your enterprise customers in a traditional stovepipe type of environment? Or are you doing an open system platform approach where you use innovations coming from a platform, from a horizontalized approach? So using an internet platform, basically. That is one. The other one is, are you really looking into internet paradigms in terms of how do you innovate? Innovation comes pretty much in the internet from interaction and connection to existing internet services. So you need to mix and match services to create a new end-user experience to your customers. Existing internet services used by customers should be also then introduced to new use cases in the Internet of Things domain. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. So utilizing the internet paradigm for introducing Internet of Services applications is the way to go. So in a nutshell, two main things who categorize Internet of Things is using a platform approach rather than a bespoke system or software development, and using the internet paradigm for introducing innovations. Yeah, on the Internet of Things of applications, I think the main issue what we have seen so far is that the use cases related to Internet of Things has been mainly driven out of existing machine-to-machine type of environments. So you connected a machine, an embedded computer, a vending machine, an automate, and whatever, and then you try to basically cut costs down, increase productivity enhancements, etc. Now what we now see is on various verticals the paradigm of Internet emerging, which means that you use not just the connectivity, but you analyze the data, you enrich the data, you innovate with existing internet services, and by doing that you create a new end-user experience to your customer. And it's really across different verticals, but I like to highlight three main verticals which are very interesting at the moment, where we see a lot of growth coming. It's the retail vertical, because in the retail we see actually a lot of new innovations happening related to vouchering, coupon systems, very traditional Now it's emerging into smartphone apps, into integrating them. You know, you have some supermarket chains who are now starting to offer you for certain bonus points 10 minutes Wi-Fi access, for example, or many other things. So you see integration of many different applications and experiences integrated into a retail environment, which is very different from what we have seen before. That's for me Internet of Things in the retail, digital retail. Another vertical is the industrial vertical. I think industrial vertical machineries have been very traditionally developing their own piece of software, their own solutions, and now what they see actually emerging on the market is an alternative to very fast, easily and cost efficiently set up a connected environment, analyze the data, all pre-uploaded in a cloud-based environment, then access these data and then further compute it and drive down costs of the automotive or of the machinery environment. So these are really two verticals I would think very interesting, high growth in that two verticals. Last but not least, telematics is still there. Automotive is an important domain as well.